Hey everyone, Steve here with Little Red Thread Travel Dream Vacations. Today we're doing a quick walkthrough of a Ultra Spacious Ocean View Stateroom 11132 of Royal Caribbean's Utopia the Seas. A fantastic option for families or groups of up to 6 guests. This stateroom is located on deck 11, forward port side, just a quick 1-minute walk from the elevators, making it super convenient. As soon as you step inside, you'll see just how spacious this room is. It is one of the largest ocean view staterooms on the ship. You've got a large porthole window that brings in plenty of natural light, plus a spacious desk, dresser, and large TV, giving you plenty of room to relax. This room is perfect for families, with a separate bunk bed area that even has a privacy curtain. And storage is everywhere, from this massive closet to extra space under the beds. The double sofa bed adds another flexible sleeping option, making this room great for up to 6 guests. The bathroom has everything you need: a shower, sink, and shelving to keep things organized. If you're booking more than 4 guests, this stateroom cannot be booked online. You'll want a travel agent to help secure your reservation. And please, don't forget to like the video. Drop us a comment if you've stayed or you are interested in staying in this stateroom. And subscribe for more cruise room tours and travel tips. See you in the next video.